Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Aroma, and I wanted to give you an update about what happened since my last video. I posted about them, about how they stole some of my videos and were using it for advertisement without asking me. I'll link that video below in case you didn't see it. But within about 2 days of me posting that video, they sent me an email apologizing. They took down my videos. They asked to call me, and I did talk to them briefly. Again, they apologized profusely, and they offered to send me some products with no strings attached. They don't expect me to do reveals or anything like that, but I'm going to because I already have the products and that's what I do on my channel. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff they sent. They said they were going to send me some of their new items at the beginning of the year, and here we are. So I actually have 2 boxes. There's a smaller one off to the side, but let's just dig in. Charmed Aroma, little advertisement in there. Oh, okay. So I have been paying attention online about their new products, and this, I guess, is a sleeve that goes over the candle. That's kind of cool that it's removable. Let's open that up. Yeah, cool. That's a good idea, because it looked like it was attached when I saw it. Is it Velcro too? No. And then it fits over this candle. The XOXO. That smells really good. It smells like strawberries and champagne from Victoria's Secret. And then it fits on it. That's cute. So I will do a reveal of that definitely on my channel. I also got a bath bomb. Lift here. Oh, that just has the ingredients on it. And this one, I think, goes with the January Garnet candle. They did send me like a packing list of what they were sending me, so I am aware. There we go. Sticker's coming off. So we have the garnet candle and the matching bath bomb. I'm excited about this because that's Jackson's birthstone, so I like that stone a lot. Also have Valentine's Day bath bomb. That's much prettier in person. That's all gold mica at the bottom. Super shimmery. Then it has the conversation hearts on top. Looking forward to that one. And then we have a paw ring candle. Very nice. And then they also sent me a coupon for one of their customized candles. So that's new on their website. Move it over here so you can see it. So the process is super easy. You can put a customized picture on it. And at first I wasn't sure what I was going to use it for, but then I decided my wedding anniversary is coming up in a couple months, so maybe I'll put one of my wedding pictures on it. So the process itself was super easy. You just upload a picture. There's our wedding picture. We got married on a beach in Jamaica back in 2011. So this was super easy. You upload the picture. It shows you exactly what it's going to look like, so you can preview it. There's also room for text, so you could put that here at the bottom. I didn't do that. I opted out because you don't have to. Just because if I did, it would have put another ribbon like that at the bottom, and it would have covered up my ring. Or him putting the ring on my finger, rather. It's a little cut off anyways, but I decided to leave that there. So yeah. And this is available, I think, only in 1 cent. So it's just a standard little candle, but it smells really good. So that is what I got. So I will be doing jewelry reveals for these 4 candles and the bath bombs. But I just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know that they did reach out to me. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys sent my way, and I think a couple of you even reached out to them and said something to them, which is how I think they found my video. So that's really sweet of you guys. So just wanted to provide a little update to that video, and you will be seeing some of these products shortly. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.